Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to pay Capitec funeral cover via the app. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. First, open the Capitec app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap Transact. From there, select Pay Beneficiary. If your funeral cover is already saved as a beneficiary, simply tap it from the list to continue with the payment. If it is not listed yet, tap Add. On the next screen, select Capitec Registered. Use the search option to type the name of the funeral cover provider. Then select it from the results. You will now be asked to enter the required details, such as the policy number. After entering the details, tap Add to save the beneficiary. Once the beneficiary is added, select it from the beneficiary list. Enter the amount you want to pay toward the funeral cover, review the payment details, and confirm the transaction using your app authentication. After confirmation, the payment will be processed and applied to your funeral cover. And that is it. That is how to pay Capitec funeral cover via the app. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.